Demystifying the home buying process. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to break down the process of buying a house. It can seem overwhelming, but fear not. We're here to guide you through each step, making it a breeze. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Assessing your financial situation. Before you start house hunting, it's essential to assess your financial situation. Begin by determining your budget, including your down payment, monthly mortgage payment, and other costs. Consider meeting with a mortgage lender to get pre-approved for a loan. This will help you understand your borrowing capacity and make you a more competitive buyer. Step 2. Finding the right real estate agent. Next, you'll want to find the right real estate agent to assist you throughout the process. Look for an agent with experience, local market knowledge, and excellent communication skills. The host holds up a checklist with criteria for selecting an agent, as it animates on screen. Don't hesitate to interview multiple agents before making your decision. Remember, they'll be your trusted guide on this exciting journey. Step 3. House hunting. Now comes the fun part. House hunting. Work closely with your real estate agent to identify properties that match your needs, preferences, and budget. Attend open houses, take virtual tours, and ask questions to gain insights into each property. Remember, it's not just about the house itself but also the neighborhood and amenities. Step 4. Making an offer. Once you find your dream home, it's time to make an offer. Your agent will help you craft a competitive offer that considers market conditions, recent sales, and the seller's motivations. Keep in mind that the seller may accept, reject, or counter your offer. Negotiations are a common part of this stage, so stay patient and flexible. Step 5. Home inspection and appraisal. Once your offer is accepted, it's important to conduct a home inspection and appraisal. The inspection helps identify any potential issues with the property, while the appraisal determines its market value. These steps are crucial for ensuring the house meets your expectations and that you're making a sound investment. Step 6. Closing the deal. Congratulations! You've reached the final stage, closing the deal. This is when all the necessary paperwork is signed, and the ownership officially transfers to you. Remember to review all the documents with your agent and ask questions if anything is unclear. Once everything is complete, you'll receive the keys to your new home. And there you have it, demystifying the home buying process. By following these steps and working with trusted professionals, you'll be well on your way to owning your dream home. Happy house hunting!